Hello. This video provides an overview of the new features in the 23.3.00 release of HR Service Management.
Hi Amy. How are you?
Hello Jake. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm alright. I'm just wondering about how to manage the processes for exiting employees. I want a solution that helps me manage all tasks that different departments must complete to relieve an employee. I'm also trying to figure out how former employees can stay in touch with the company after separation.
I can help you with that. HR Service Management is offering an offboarding solution that will help you with your problem. Let me show it to you.
Okay.
HR Service Management offers a comprehensive offboarding solution for employees to request voluntary separation from a company. Through the Alumni Service Center, former employees can keep in touch with the company. Out-of-the-box content use cases are available for both the offboarding solution and alumni requests. HR-related attributes can be stored in the person extension record definition.
Those are some interesting features. Can you tell me a little bit more about the offboarding solution?
Of course. Let me show you how it works. An employee who wants to resign from his position in the company raises a voluntary separation request. After the request is raised, automatic tasks are created for various departments to complete a smooth transition for the employee. For example, the exiting employee's manager is assigned the task of discussing retention with the employee. If the employee is not interested, the HR team starts working on the separation formalities. After clearances are received from all departments, on the last working day of the employee, the exit formalities are completed. Offboarding of an employee is completed only after the relevant departments complete all post-exit tasks.
That's brilliant.
Isn't it?
I would like to know more about the Alumni Service Center.
Of course. The Alumni Service Center allows former employees to stay in touch with their former employer.
That would be wonderful. Can they also raise requests from the center?
Indeed, they can. Let me show you what all former employees can do.
That would be really helpful.
On the last working day of an existing employee, the registration link to the Alumni Service Center is sent to the personal email ID of the employee. After the employee registers, the company HR team approves the request. Once approved, the former employee can access the Alumni Service Center and raise requests, view company details, and if required, even chat with company officials. The out-of-the-box content use cases are available for the offboarding solution and Alumni Service Center. Every use case includes all artifacts, such as case templates, task templates, notification templates, flowsets, documentation templates, and knowledge articles that are required for the end-to-end workflow of the request.
This is a really comprehensive solution.
It is.
It will help me streamline the offboarding process. The out-of-the-box content use cases for raising requests provide an end-to-end experience.
Yes. Moreover, you can configure the content use cases according to your business requirements.
Yes. You also mentioned HR-related attributes. Can you tell me about that?
Certainly. Companies usually store HR-related information in their HR content management systems. An administrator can extract this information and add it to the person extension record definition in BMC Helix business workflows. Case business analysts can use these fields directly from the person extension record definition instead of from a third-party content management system. This feature makes the HR-related information more accessible and easier to use.
That one will really make our work easier. We can use the attributes directly from BMC Helix business workflows instead of a third-party system.
Correct.
Amy, thank you for a wonderful peek into the new features in HR Service Management. I'll now be able to track the offboarding tasks through the offboarding solution instead of tracking them manually.
I'm glad this overview helped you. For more information about these features, see the HR Service Management documentation at www.docs.bmc.com.
Thank you.
We hope this video helped you understand the new features in the 23.3.00 release of HR Service Management. The links to the documentation are added in the video description. Thank you for watching.